Good day to all employer in Hong Kong. I am Jeanette Chihumamin. I'm 35 years old. I am single parent. I have four children with 3 girls and 1 boy. Age of my girls are 17, 10, and 8. My boy is 12 years old. I work in Saudi in 2 years. My duties are cooking, ironing, laundry, cleaning house, taking care of children age of 7 and 4 months. They are 8 members of the family. I work also in Qatar 2 years. My duties are cleaning, cooking, buying grocery. My employer is old woman. I like to work in Hong Kong. I want to earn money to sustain my family and to save money for my children's future. To my future employer, please hire me as a worker because I'm a loyal, trustworthy, hardworking, and I promise to do all my responsibilities. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.